Mr. Speaker, it provides for about a girl child who is in school, and sometimes, Mr. Speaker, these young people get, these girls get pregnant without much ado, because sometimes they're just playing with their peers, and when they play with their peers and they are in that adolescent stage, you find that without any bad intention, you find that the girl is pregnant.
What sort of play are you referring to, Senator Oburu? What sort of play are you referring to?
Well, I'm referring, Mr. Speaker, to general play of children. When children interact in school and they are of opposite sexes, Mr. Speaker, those plays could be many and varied, but they include some which can cause pregnancy. Mr. Speaker, this is what I mean. And Mr. Speaker, when these girls become pregnant, there is a big stigma. There is a big stigma because there are parents who love their girls so much, they believe in their girls so much, with so much love and emotions, that they don't expect to see their child. They don't even expect that their child could involve herself in such a game. And Mr. Speaker, because of this stigma, sometimes you find some girls even commit suicide. Because of fear of the parents, they fear the consequences, they fear. And sometimes, Mr. Speaker, it gives them the impression that their life has come to an abrupt end because of the stigma. Mr. Speaker, it becomes a very traumatizing situation.
What's your point of order, Senator Kinyua? Assume your seat, Senator Lingard, is a point of order.
Mr. Speaker, I would hate to interrupt my senior, but for record, he is a senior member of our society, and I respect